Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, the 2023 Buick Enclave trim levels and standard features are explained. I'll also go over the paint colors. Before I do, however, I just want to remind you that if you find this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And real quick before I get started, I just want to remind you to take a look at my 2022 Acura MDX trim levels video. I've put the link in the description below. The 2023 Buick Enclave is a midsize 3-row SUV with seating for 7 passengers. In this class of vehicles, the Enclave earns praise for its generous interior and cargo space, quiet and comfortable ride, and long list of standard features. In 2022, the Enclave received several updates that include freshened styling, interior updates, and more standard technology features. With a modern, more expressive design and premium intuitive technology, the 2023 Buick Enclave offers signature styling and features that premium SUV customers expect and appreciate. The bolder model features new front and rear fascias, grille and lighting, including Evonik LED tail lamps. To give buyers options to reflect their personal style, the Enclave offers unique personas, including the Sport Touring Appearance Package and the premium Avenir trim, the brand's highest expression of refinement. The 2023 Buick Enclave is offered in 3 trim levels: Essence, Premium, and Avenir. All models come with a 3.6-liter V6 engine that makes 310 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque, and that's paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard and all-wheel drive is optional on all trim levels. The Enclave can accommodate 7 passengers with the second row featuring 2 captain's chairs and a 3-seat 60/40 split folding bench in the third row. Now let's go over the MSRP, standard features, and available packages for the 2023 Buick Enclave, starting with the base model Essence that has a starting MSRP of $44,800. The base model Essence comes well appointed with standard features that include a 3.6-liter V6 engine, 9-speed automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, keyless start, premium ride suspension, 18-inch aluminum wheels, automatic on-off headlamps, hands-free power programmable liftgate with LED logo projection, heated power outside mirrors, IntelliBeam auto high beams, LED headlamps and daytime running lamps, roof-mounted side rails, rear spoiler, front and rear intermittent wipers, 4.2-inch diagonal color driver information center, 6-way power front passenger seat adjuster, 8-way power driver's seat adjuster, active noise cancellation, 6-speaker audio system, Buick infotainment system with 8-inch diagonal color touchscreen, cruise control, driver and front passenger visors with illuminated mirrors, HD rear vision camera, heated driver and front passenger seats, heated steering wheel, inside rear view auto dimming mirror, keyless open and start, leather wrapped steering wheel, manual 60/40 split folding third row bench seat, manual tilt and telescoping steering column, perforated leather appointed seat trim, rear climate controls, remote start, Sirius XM with 360L 3-month trial subscription, tire pressure monitoring system, tri-zone automatic climate control, 6 USB ports, universal home remote, Wi-Fi hotspot capable, wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto capability, and wireless phone charging. Every 2023 Enclave also comes with enhanced Buick driver confidence, a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies that include lane keep assist with lane departure warning, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, following distance indicator, forward collision alert, rear cross traffic alert, IntelliBeam auto high beam assist, front pedestrian braking, front and rear park assist, and automatic emergency braking. The mid-level premium starts at $51,800 and adds a healthy number of features that include heated power driver's side auto-dimming power folding outside mirrors, driver memory package, 120-volt power outlet, Bose performance-enhanced premium 10-speaker system, Buick infotainment system with navigation and 8-inch diagonal color touchscreen, HD surround vision, rear camera mirror with washer, 8-inch diagonal color driver information center, head-up display, heated second row outboard seats, power 60/40 split folding third row bench seat, power tilt and telescoping steering column, driver and front passenger 4-way power lumbar with massage feature, ventilated driver and front passenger seats, and rear pedestrian alert. The top spec Buick Enclave is the Avenir and it has an MSRP of $57,100. The range-topping Avenir adds a exclusive Enclave Avenir grille and rear fascia, unique clear tail lamps, panoramic moonroof and rear fixed skylight with rear power shade, 20-inch aluminum wheels with Avenir pearl nickel finish, rain sense automatic wipers, diamond quilted leather seats with piping, Avenir stitching on front headrests, piano black wood tone accents, adaptive cruise control, and enhanced automatic emergency braking. There are a number of notable available packages for the Buick Enclave. First up is the technology package, and it comes with adaptive cruise control, HD surround vision, rear camera mirror with washer, enhanced automatic emergency braking, and rear pedestrian alert. There is a hit the road package that equips the Enclave with molded assist steps painted to match most vehicle exteriors, and roof rack cross rails. The sound and sights package includes the Buick infotainment system with navigation and 8-inch diagonal color touchscreen, 120 volt power outlet, and the Bose Performance Enhanced Premium 10-speaker system. The available Experience Buick package gets you the 20-inch polished aluminum wheels and power moonroof with rear fixed skylight. The Buick Interior Protection package adds all-weather floor mats, third-row all-weather floor mats, and an all-weather cargo mat. The Sport Touring Edition package adds 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels with black center cap and color tri-shield, unique sport grille with body color surround, and Sport Touring liftgate badging. The last notable package is the Avenir Technology package. This comes with premium suspension package with hydraulic dampers and steering calibration, chassis with real-time damping suspension which adjusts damping forces every 2 milliseconds, and LED headlamps with enhanced Avenir design. As for which 2023 Buick Enclave to buy, I recommend the Essence trim because of its long list of standard features and more affordable price. If you have a bit of extra money to spend, the premium trim, one step above the Essence, adds some really nice to have features such as ventilated seats, a head-up display, and a surround view camera system. Lastly, let's go over the paint colors for the 2023 Buick Enclave. There are 8 available colors. Not every color is available on every trim level. This color is Summit White, Black Twilight, Moonstone Gray, Sage, Emperor Blue, Cherry Red, White Frost, and Rich Garnet. Okay, that's it. I'm going to wrap this video up. I went over the trim levels, MSRP, standard features, available packages, which trim level to buy, and the paint colors for the 2023 Buick Enclave. If you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.